Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is January the 20th, 2021. This is our 3-day update on the price movement of Cardano. Now, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to this particular channel because we're here to give you all a heads up as to where the trap is going to take the price of a plethora of cryptocurrencies. Now, if you want to see our price predictions for stocks, we created another channel called HueFin News 2 Stocks. Go ahead, subscribe to that particular channel so you do not miss out on any of our stock price predictions that we're covering also on that particular channel. It's been 3 days. You guys can see, let me zoom in and let's get this forecast in on the screen. And you all can tell that our expectations for Cardano was for the market to continue to go higher in price, right? So as I zoom in, you can already tell that the market for the most part in Cardano is generating some weakness. Now, this is the current sentiment of the trap. Now, if you don't know who the trap is, let me explain it to you, because the trap is the one who moves the market and price. That's it. That's its whole purpose, is to create a market. A market simply means a place to where you can find and match up buyers and sellers. That's it. And so far, you can tell from his particular feel that the weakness is into the market in Cardano. We can accept that. But from our video that we talked about on the 17th of January, we told you that the ultimate support area in order for the probability of Cardano to continue to go higher in price is right there around 32 cents. So over the last 3 days, seemingly it looks like he wants to come back down and test that area. So we're ready for that. We already expected that about 3 days ago, that in order for this market in Cardano to continue to go higher in the long term, it has to stay above 32 cents. All right. So now we have an area that we need to be on guard for. We're looking dead at it. Right here is the point that we need to start seeing strength into the market. So right now we're seeing weakness. Okay, cool. We got that. Now our purpose on this particular video is to make sure that the weakness does not break price below 32 cents. Okay, that is where our attention is going to be over the next 3 days. We're going to pay attention to the price action around 32 cents. So yeah, the market is weak. So really over the next couple of days into the future, we're going to expect the market in Cardano to go lower, which if it breaks below 32 cents, already we can gauge that that will be about a 14% loss. All right. So let's take a look at the market on the 3-day time frame real quick. And here you can see that the market, even here in Cardano, we got a day and 13 hours left on this current 3-day price bar, is weak. So we're seeing weakness. Okay, we're cool with that. Focus 32 cents. And even you can see right here that the market in Cardano is finding the area of support right there around 34. Okay, right there around 34 cents. That's even better if he's able to keep that price above 34 cents. So we're sitting the sideline. We're still on guard to see the market in Cardano hold 34 cents. Let's see it on the hourly time frame real quick. Okay, because you can see there's nothing but weakness coming through into the market in Cardano. So yeah, next day or so, we will be expecting the market in Cardano to go lower in price. Actually, we might try to keep this forecast ongoing, even though we are seeing the weakness into the market. We're going to keep this forecast ongoing until we see this price break below 32 cents. Okay, so this goes to show you how overextended this market is in Cardano. Okay, so you can see that line, the current uptrend into the market. We can still see the market in Cardano come all the way down here, and we'll still be in the uptrend, right? So that's an expectation. We're setting the guidelines of what to expect from the trap going forward into the future. So we will be playing the weakness into the market in Cardano. Okay, so we can put on another forecast that the current market in Cardano is going through. this here. Okay. We could play the weakness too. So how low do you think the market in Cardano is going to go? If anything, we can see the market come down to around 32 cents, which is about 8.23% movement to the downside for when the market in and Cardano is being traded. We can see that. So how about we do that? Now, if we see that market come all the way down to 32 cents, it won't be a surprise to see the market come down to 30. So I'm going to extend it down just a little bit lower. We need to keep our eyes focused on 32 cents going over the next 3 days, because if price breaks that, we understand that this trend in Cardano is going to be tested. Okay. So let's do this here. Fix this line real quick. So we got two plays going on, two forecast predictions going on into the market in Cardano. The first one is the longer term one, to where we were expecting the market in Cardano to go up towards 50 cents. That is still in play, but the current daily movement right now is one of lower price. So we're going to play that as well. Okay. So this is the most current one we're playing though, the one on the market going lower in price. And that's it. This is our expectations. We are expecting the market to go a little bit lower into the market in Cardano. We're going to see if we could catch that movement from the trap. And as we go throughout the next 3 days, if we break these support area, even that ascending line, then we expect the market in Cardano to continue to go lower in price. But we don't see that yet on the price chart. But as we go throughout 3 days, it is definitely something that could come to fruition. And that's it. So now it's your turn. What do you all think about Cardano and where the market is going to be in 3 days? Because either way it go, you need to get in position. We need to get ahead of the trap in order to capitalize on the market. So this is what we're seeing on the next 3 days. A little bit of movement to the downside. We got our TP price right there around, what is that? 32 cents, even though we can see the market come all the way back down to 30. And we'll take TP there at 30 cents as well. Now it's your turn. What do you all see? Let everyone know your TP price as well as where you think the market is going to be at in 3 days. That's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Now go and trade different.